With 3 potatoes, I can make these potato rings. They are crispy and delicious. Start by cutting 500 grams of peeled potatoes. Add enough water, 1 teaspoon of salt. In a large skillet, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 medium onion chopped into small cubes. Add 150 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, and cook for 2 minutes. And once the potatoes have cooked through, transfer them to a large bowl and mash them until a smooth mixture forms. Then add the cream we made. Add parsley to taste. 50 grams of cornstarch. This is the right mix. After that, use 2 round dough cutters of different sizes to shape the rings. And once the oil is hot enough, add the potato rings. I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye!